Hey everyone, is your PC about to become a ticking time bomb? In less than a year, Microsoft is pulling the plug on Windows 10. And if you're one of the billion people still using it, you need to hear this. Let's break down what this actually means for you. Mark your calendars, October 14th, 2025. That's the official date when Microsoft ends support for Windows 10. Now, what does end of support really mean? It's not like your computer will just stop working. Think of it more like Microsoft is no longer the security guard for your digital home. No more security updates, no more non-security updates, and no more free technical support. This is a big deal for your PC's safety. Without those crucial security patches, your computer becomes much more vulnerable to viruses, spyware, and other malicious software. It's like leaving your front door wide open for digital intruders. So, can you still use Windows 10 after the deadline? Technically, yes. Your PC will boot up and run just like before, but you'll be doing it at your own risk, flying without a safety net in the ever-dangerous skies of the internet. So, what are your options? The most obvious one is upgrading to Windows 11. It has a free upgrade for most compatible PCs and offers a fresh design, better performance, and enhanced security features. Check your system's health in the settings to see if your machine is ready. But wait, there's also chatter about Windows 12 on the horizon. While it's still mostly rumors, Microsoft is heavily investing in AI, and the next version of Windows will likely have artificial intelligence deeply integrated. It could be a game changer. If you stick with Windows 10, updates and drivers will become a problem. While some manufacturers might release driver updates for a while, they will eventually stop, which could lead to compatibility issues with new software or hardware. What about the cost? Upgrading to Windows 11 is free, but the real challenge might be your hardware. If your PC isn't compatible, you'll need to buy a new one, which is a significant investment. Looking ahead, Microsoft's vision is clear: a more integrated, AI-powered, and secure computing experience. Windows 10 has had an amazing run for over a decade, but it's time to prepare for the next chapter, so start planning now. Check your PC's compatibility for Windows 11, decide if you want to upgrade, or maybe even wait and see what Windows 12 has to offer. Don't get left behind in the digital dark ages. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.